Welcome to our residential Bali in Punta Prima, Torrevieja. In this location, we have different kind of properties: 2 bedrooms, 3 bedroom, duplex and penthouses, like this one. This is a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, all on one level with a private solarium. As you see here, we have a very modern style kitchen. The countertops are Sile stone and all the appliances are integrated. From the kitchen, we move on to the living space. As you see, this living space goes directly onto your terrace. And all this is facing south, which practically you have sun all day. At the back side of the property, you have your 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here we have the guest bathroom with a full shower screen included, mirror and floor heating. This is the 3rd bedroom. Here we have the 2nd bedroom. Here we have the master bedroom en suite. Again with floor heating included, full shower screen and mirror. These are the wardrobes of the master bedroom. And this master bedroom has its own private balcony. So let's go and see the exterior of this property, the terrace and the private solarium. This is your very spacious terrace where you can place a dining table or a chill out area. It actually has sea views, and this property in particular is 15 minutes walking distance to the beach. You have La Peña Beach or Punta Prima Beach. Also, this residential has 2 external swimming pools. We are one of the community swimming pools of this residential. In total, they are going to be 2, an artificial pond and also an external jacuzzi. We are also seeing behind us the spa area. In the spa area, we have a gym, we have a Turkish bath and a sauna, as well as an indoor gym and an outdoor gym with 2 more jacuzzis. Now we go on to the solarium. This is your very spacious terrace where you have your sunbed area. And we also include a jacuzzi as well as a shower. In this area here, you also have a chill out and maybe perhaps another dining area. And we also include a barbecue. In the distance, you can see the salt lakes of Torrevieja, which is 5 minutes away from this location. Hope you enjoyed the viewing and hope to see you soon in Spain.